Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. See every detail with crystal clear Full HD recording. The Whistler Dash Cam features a 6-layer glass lens design for ultra-clear 1080p Full HD recording, capturing license plates with ease. Easy Wi-Fi and app control. Our car dash camera comes with built-in Wi-Fi. This smart dash camera connects to our Whistler Group app, making it seamless to view your car dash cam footage. Infinite loop recording. When the SD card reaches its maximum capacity, the oldest car video footage will be overwritten automatically, so your driving recorder never misses a beat when it needs to. G-sensor detection and parking monitor. The motion sensor triggers when the G-sensor detects an impact, and the security camera for car will automatically lock the dash cam's footage. Built-in GPS and speed tracking. Our GPS syncs location and speed info from your dash camera that displays when viewing footage to ensure you have critical information when you need it. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Real Ultra HD 4K plus 2K Dual Dash Cam. PB22 Dual Dash Cam is equipped with the real front 4K 2160p 30 fps HDR and rear 2K 1440p 30 fps Ethernet cameras. High-speed integrated chip makes the size of each video segment halved. Multiple cameras at the same time. Storage when cyclic recording. Effective video time doubled, saving memory space. Recorder. Each video memory becomes smaller to solve the problem of video files too large in the process of high-temperature work crash. Ethernet rear-view camera. Dashboard camera using 500W pixel HD Ethernet video transmission camera. Lossless transmission. Transmission speed and twice video recovery is more realistic. Clear. No delay. The delay is small to provide you with faster and more accurate judgment. Reversible detection. In order to avoid accidents and protect your driving safety. Applicable models. PB22 dash cam front view lens bracket can be rotated near 90 degrees. Suitable for all car models. A rear view camera for car models that can be installed in the rear windshield, such as small cars, SUVs, vans, MPVs, etc. You can install it yourself and save the cost of installation. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Open black lens bracket record UHD videos front and rear of your car. Close black lens bracket. Kingslam D4 4K dual dash camera can simultaneously record videos in front 4K 2160p at 25 fps. and rear 1080p resolution, clearly capturing license plates and road signs. You can switch to front view in QHD 2.5K. 2560x1440 at 30 fps. And rear view in Full HD 1080p. 1920x1080 at 25 fps. For daily video recording, capture QHD details to help restore the truth. Open black lens bracket control by phone app and 3 inches IPS touchscreen. Close black lens bracket. Easy to connect D4 with phone app via built-in Wi-Fi. You can play back and download videos and adjust the settings directly via phone app. Work with Android and iOS devices. Easy operation on setting functions at your fingertips without fiddly buttons. Open black lens bracket. Auto record GPS data for your driving. Close black lens bracket. Built-in GPS, which records your route and driving speed in videos. GPS module attached to the dash cams. No need to wire the GPS cable separately. Recommend to download the GX player on our official website to play back the GPS videos. Open black lens bracket. Better night vision with Sony sensor. Close black lens bracket. Kingslam dual dash cam adopts the industry-leading Sony IMX335 STARVIS sensor and HiSilicon Hi3559 processor. With super night vision, f1.8 aperture, and WDR technology, you can record stunning details even in low-light environments. With front 170 degrees and rear 150 degrees super wide viewing angles and 6-layer glass fixed focus lens, it gives you maximum coverage of the road and greatly enhances night vision, providing sharp and clear images and videos. Open black lens bracket. Never lose driving footage. Close black lens bracket. Supports up to 256 GB TF card. Not included, which is enough for recording 4K videos. Combined with loop recording function so you never lose any crucial evidence. That means 24-hour protection for your car. To fully meet the recording and playback of 4K resolution video, please use high endurance, at least U3 level, micro SD card. We recommend Samsung 256 GB U3 micro SD card. The number one on the list is this product. Comes with premium quality and affordable price. 360 degrees recording in HD. Record not only what's in front of your vehicle, but also what's inside the car, simultaneously, in 1080p Full HD resolution. Perfect for rideshare and taxi drivers. Retain clear extra evidence in case there's an accident or driver-passenger conflict. Protect the vehicle. Protect the passenger. And most importantly, protect yourself. VR recording mode. In addition to the 6 different recording modes built into this amazing smart dash camera, it also comes with the special VR recording feature. The content recorded under VR mode will allow the viewer to experience the drive firsthand in 360 degrees. Virtual reality, as if they were right there with you during the road trip. Enhanced night vision. Accidents frequently happen when it's dark outside, so it becomes especially important to keep everything documented whenever a low-light environment is detected. The smart camera's night vision feature automatically kicks in, continuing to record everything in Full HD. In case there's a need for evidence, you'll still be in good hands. 24-hour surveillance. Get 24-hour surveillance for your vehicle with park and record mode. The Type S 360-degree dashcam's built-in G-sensor technology automatically captures and saves video. 10 seconds before and 10 seconds after an incident such as a hard brake or a break-in is detected, making sure the footage is secure even if the power disconnects. Type S mobile app. The FHD smart camera is fully compatible with our Type S Drive mobile app. Pair the Type S camera with your iOS or Android device. View and download the footage, and share them however you want, with whoever you want. The app also allows you to fully control the camera itself in case it's inconvenient to adjust directly on the cam.